What is up mga kap? Another day, another vlog. Alright, so another special day today. We're heading to Honda flagship store in Buendia. We've been again invited to a very special event. I mean, not me personally, but the entire NK crew. We've been invited to be part of this very special event. So what's with this event? We're gonna be launching, or at least we're gonna be witnessing the debut of the new Suomi helmets. Yun. So again, it's the Suomi helmet. For those of you who didn't know the brand, it's an Italian brand, guys. It's from Italy. Started back in 1997, so almost 30 years in the market. So since 1997 they've been around, and then by 2020 not 2020, 2000, year 2000, they were able to partner up with Ducati, with Ducati's racing team, and since then they were able to acquire several, not just one, but several championship belts or championship titles around their belt. Different sports bike competition like GP, Superbike World Championship. So that only tells you that this brand is being chosen by the elites, right? Professional racers, well, not just professional racers, but you know, everyday riders too, that knows the brand, right? One of the most notable, at least in this generation, notable personality that uses the Suomi helmet is Bagnaia, right? You guys, I'm pretty sure, familiar with that name. So that tells you performance, safety. This helmet has it. Okay. And then another bit of info. In 2014, I believe, KYT, na pamilyar na brand dito sa atin sa Pinas, acquired Suomi. So that partnership paved the way to, you know, the market here in Asia. That's why I'm pretty sure some of you guys have already heard this helmet brand. And that is why, mga kap, I'm very honored and pleased to be part of this event. For someone who's just starting to, you know, be a creator, this is a big thing. This is a big event, right? So yeah, let's head on to Honda flagship store in Buendia. We'll meet up with the rest of the folks, the rest of the crew, para sabay-sabay tayong pumunta dun sa event. And then let's see this new helmet that is gonna debut today. Kita-kits! Highway tayo? Sige, sige. Boss Kirby, thank you sa invite, sir.
Oo. Ano lang, sa labas tayo kasi napuno na.
Oo.
Para tabi-tabi pa rin tayo, ano?
Okay.
Sinusundan ko lang sila, kaya natapos ang Philippine.
And first of all, very thankful sa Team Wintec na na-push kami to finish the Philippine Loop.
Anong best ride sa'yo sa experience?
Mindanao.
Yeah. Magpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Philippine Loop, sa FRC, sa Philippine Loop.
And now we'll hear a message directly coming from Sony Philippines Marketing Manager. A big hand for Mr. Peter Young.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening po. We would like to extend our sincerest congratulations to Team Wheeltech for, of course, the Philippine Loop achievement, and most especially for their 50th anniversary. And of course, our sincerest gratitude for choosing Sumi Helmets Philippines for this exclusive collaboration. This is the first and only in the world for Sumi. Hindi na po mauulit ito. Ayaw na po ni Sumi kasi this is done only this time, and we were privileged enough to be given the opportunity na magkaroon ng ganitong collaboration, most especially with our valued friends sa Wheeltech. Ayun. So, never has this been done anywhere in the world with Sumi. Tapos, yung pong shell model na grinan sa atin is the top tier helmet model, which is the Sumi S1XR.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will not keep you waiting anymore because the time has finally arrived for us to witness the unveiling of the Wheeltech Sumi helmet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. 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 We about to turn it on. Go, 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 go. We about to turn it on. Turn it on. We about to turn it on.
So yun nga mga kapo, pauwi na tayo again. Huge thank you to Wheeltech Philippines and Suomi Philippines for the invite. It was a great privilege to be part of this momentous event for Wheeltech. This is their celebration of their 50th anniversary, and with that, of course, they awarded their Wheeltech team, Philippine Looper team, and then the launch of the limited edition Suomi helmet in collaboration with Wheeltech Philippines. So it is going to be a limited edition helmet, and the shell used for that helmet is the top of the line. The helmet being used by Pecco Bagnaia in MotoGP. So it's the best shell that they have as of the moment. Again, only 50 units to be sold, and as stated earlier by Suomi's marketing lead, this is the first and only time that Suomi will do such collaboration with another brand. That's why I'm honored to be part of this event. So for those of you who are interested with Suomi, it will be available at the Wheeltech flagship store soon. So they will be the distributor of the Suomi helmet here in the Philippines. I was told that there will be displays eventually at that specific building, the flagship store in Buendia, and then maybe mga malalaking stores like maybe Calamba and other big stores, maybe they will have that too. So maganda rin kasi kay Suomi is that although yung manufacturing niya is outside Italy na, I'm assuming China, I'm not sure, most of the materials, if not every materials and components, are still proudly Italy made. So still made in Italy. Research and development, marketing, design, still being done in Italy, guys. And of course, more importantly, the highlight of the night of today's video, we won! We won sa raffle, mga kap. Nanalo tayo sa raffle. So what a day. So na-invite ka na to an exclusive event, a very special exclusive event. Nakakain ka na, you got to meet a lot of people in the riding community, tapos may bonus ka pang Suomi helmet, diba? Panalo. So I guess dito ko na tatapusin tong vlog. Tayo pa uwi na. The rest of the crew, they're heading to Vermosa para tumambay. Ako, I still need to do a lot of things at home. Huge shout out kay Boss Kirby of CF Moto Binyan. Boss Curbs, maraming thank you. Salamat. Thank you for hooking us up to join this event. Again, maraming salamat. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, mga kap. Hanggang sa muli. Pabush!
Turn it up.